Emily, what are you doing? Huh? Y'all got, don't get any more. You got all kinds of flour here in the floor, don't you? Look. It is a big mess. Let's look. Come on. Look. Show me where all you've been putting it. Look at all this. Yes, it's a big mess. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Look at this. Oh my gosh. A day in the life of.
He is your healer.
Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na.